Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and recover deleted AOL emails. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is make sure that you are logged in into your AOL Mail by simply going ahead into any browser you want and searching for AOL, clicking on the first link right over here and just clicking on login and mail right over here, and you're going to be back to this page. So for example, if you have this mail that you want to go ahead and delete, so for example, let's say I deleted it. Now if I don't want to delete it and I want to recover it and I mistakenly deleted it, all I need to do is simply go ahead and click on trash and it is gonna go ahead and stay there. So AOL Mail functions like every other mail. It's not going to go ahead and completely delete it unless you come into the trash and delete it again. You can simply go ahead and click on restore to inbox, and as you can see, voila, it's going to be back into the inbox. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.